gonna stare at the camera and not say stuff.
I'm waiting for you. What do you want me to do? So we're going to get some breakfast food, some buns and teas.
What do we got?
It's really, really hot.
It's really
Pineapple
hot?
bun.
Nice.
It's freshly baked.
Oh, no,
You can see the steam.
wow.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I said, be careful, it's really hot. It just came out. Okay.
We're here.
Dude, Bucci was barking. We're like, no way.
Bucci!
Bucci, say hi.
Bucci!
We were like, what the fuck? Who's that boy? This guy got a ZV-1. Yo, come on in. Oh, it's your sister. Did you guys
Yep,
eat?
it's my sisters.
Yes.
Ohio.
Ohio. Check out this view, dude. It's so sick.
What's up?
Hi, Ohio.
Why are you crying? We're on our way to the farmer's market and we got a crying pup. Hey yo. Andy's trip. You too, bro. Just walk through the sleepy town of Andes. Andes.
We're European.
Andes, New York. Dave, where we at?
Wayside Cider.
Yeah. Saw it. That's pretty good.
It's beers or they make cider.
Thank you.
Ball lightning. Janice, ball lightning.
Hoochie.
No, they brought one and they have the other one.
Alright, we just did a 2-ish hour hike. A little bit more challenging than we thought it would be at first. It was a very leisurely stroll. But now we're on our way back. And downhill is the easiest part, so just gonna keep on trekking. Alright, we just made it back to the original trail.
Yep.
We just did 2 trails for the price of 1.
It was pretty uphill, but we made it through.
We did it. Now we're gonna go back, cook up some food, some more food. We've just been eating all weekend, right?
Eat, sleep.
This was much needed.
Yeah, this wasn't much of a vlog. It was just, we just ate all weekend. There's nothing to talk about, but definitely worth.
And the views though, it was
views,
exactly what
though.
we needed.
That Airbnb life, so nice.
Word.
Word.
We are, I mean, I already did this spiel with Dave and Janice, but we're almost back to the car now. It was a much needed, relaxing hike, relaxing weekend in general. See, I have to turn the camera like this so we can get this shorty in here. Got him. Last meal of the trail.
Touch the Simuni. Do you see this asa?
You guys hype? We gotta eat this real quick.
Let's see.
Real quick.
Let's eat one last meal.
Heyo. That concludes our trip. We're going back to New York City. So much fun. Later.